everyone. Today's project is how to convert a vase into a candle holder and make it your centerpiece. Also, how to be more creative with a candle holder. We're going to start with the first project of converting the glass vase into a candle holder and also make it your centerpiece. My kitchen's done up in the color schemes of green and purple because I have little chefs in there with pictures of wine. To convert the vase into a candle holder, I purchased a candle plate so I could place it in there to cover the hole. And for the inside, I purchased little purple balls with leaves to make it look like grapes. Green little marble, a green candle, and a little chef. He's actually a little bell, but I use them inside there. So what I do first is put the little marble or little glass. They're green. They're like little glass. You can purchase these like at Michael's. Just place them in there easy so I'm like glass. Next, I'm going to put my little chef in there. Down in the green little marbles, and then I'll put this as an accent behind them. And now I'm going to put my little candle plate at the top to cover the hole. Then I have out some more little marbles to accent around here. So it's in between this and the plate. So I'll just place them all the way around. I don't want to put it in the actual plate because if you burn the candle, which I don't, I just use it as a centerpiece. But if you do wish to burn the candle, the wax won't drip all over the little green marble. And then I place the candle on top. Now to move on to the second project on how to be more creative with a candle holder other than just placing a regular candle on there. What I did was purchase a lantern holder. I love it because it has 4 glass panels, so whatever you put inside you'll be able to view at every angle of the room. I actually purchased 2 of these, this way I have one on each side of my fireplace. I decided on the inside to decorate it with a miniature candle holder along with a red candle on top to accent my porcelain chairs, and a string of lights with little leaves on it. They're adorable. So at night it's a really pretty focal point. And what I do is just place it on top of the candle holder and just center it. And then use this little remote control at night to light the candles other than reaching in to light this string of lights. Everything here was purchased at Pier 1 Imports. The candle and also the plate was purchased at Pier 1 Imports. I had this vase like laying around the house, so I just got creative with it. So you can purchase a glass vase anywhere. And if you have any laying around the house, then just do what I did with the candle and the plate. And then the inside, you can decorate it however you want. But as far as the marbles and the purple stems, you can purchase them through Michael's. And the chef, you can just Google him online through Amazon. I hope you found the video helpful. If you like it, then go ahead and select the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe. This way you can help support my channel and see future videos from me. Thank you for watching.